Artificial intelligence is the idea of building systems that can learn patterns and make useful decisions from data. Instead of hard-coding every rule, we show examples and let the computer discover the rules on its own. In supervised learning, data come with labels like cat or dog, so the model can learn to tell them apart. We train on one set, then test on new data to check whether the system learned the idea, not just the examples. A popular tool is the neural network. Layers of simple math units whose connections adjust during learning. The computer nudges millions of tiny weights to make predictions slightly better, step by step. Deep learning excels at recognizing images and video, spotting lanes, traffic signs, and people. In language, models learn patterns in words to summarize, translate, and draft text, tools to assist, not replace judgment. Reinforcement learning lets an agent try actions, earn rewards, and improve, great for games and some robotics. Pairing vision with control turns AI into steady hands, assembling, sorting, or assisting a human partner. Sensors turn the world into numbers, the model turns numbers into estimates. Where am I? What is that? Planning then chooses actions to reach a goal while avoiding obstacles and obeying constraints. Speech recognition converts sound to text. A language model replies, handy for timers, reminders, and learning. Recommenders learn your taste to suggest music, videos, or products. Useful, but they need thoughtful settings. Generative models can draft pictures, audio, and text. The best results come from creative people guiding them. Two common pitfalls. Underfitting misses the pattern. Overfitting memorizes noise and fails on new data. We fight that with validation sets, cross-validation, and regularization, ways to reward simple, general rules. Models learn from data, so biased data can teach biased answers. Fairness starts with careful data sets and audits. Privacy matters too. Techniques like anonymization, consent, and on-device processing protect people's information. Keep a human in the loop, AI proposes, people decide, especially where safety or fairness is at stake. Explainable AI tools help reveal why a model chose something, building trust and catching mistakes. Training big models uses lots of electricity. Efficient chips, code, and clean power reduce the footprint. Edge AI runs models on small devices, drones, sensors, phones, saving bandwidth and improving privacy. Good data is curated with clear labels, diverse sources, and documented limits so users know where it works. The world changes. Models need monitoring and refreshes so performance stays strong over time. Safety engineering adds guardrails with rate limits, sanity checks, and emergency stops for when things go wrong. Laws and standards are evolving to set clear expectations for transparency, safety, and accountability. In healthcare, AI can flag scans for a second look, assistive tools that help professionals, not a replacement. In education, software can adapt practice to each student's pace and celebrate progress. On farms, models spot early stress, saving water and improving yields with targeted care. On the grid, algorithms balance supply and demand, weaving renewables into stable power. For accessibility, AI powers captions, translation, and tools that describe scenes aloud. In creative work, AI becomes a co-pilot, exploring options quickly while people set the direction. Limits do remain. Common sense, cause and effect, and real-world physics can still trip up today's systems. You'll hear AGI, a system as generally capable as a person. That's a research topic, not today's reality. The best results come from teaming up. AI handles patterns at scale, people bring context and values. Responsible use means clear goals, fit-for-purpose data, transparent testing, and ongoing monitoring. Always verify important outputs with trusted sources, just like you double-check a recipe before cooking. Want to learn? Start with Python, data basics, and tiny projects. Confidence grows with each experiment. Kids can try edge kits that run simple models offline. Safe, hands-on AI that respects privacy. New models blend vision, sound, and language, making assistants better at real-world tasks. Ethics is a design skill. Ask who benefits, who might be harmed, and how to measure fairness early. When communities help design tools, AI solves real problems and earns trust. AI learns from data, improves with testing, needs safeguards, and works best alongside thoughtful humans. Used wisely, these tools free time for the human stuff, curiosity, care, and creativity. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.